Hello everyone, myself Saurabh Kumar. I'm a student of BTech Information Technology and Data Science from Ajinkya DY Patel University. So today I'm going to explain you the term chatbot. So what is chatbot? So chatbot is a very important part of machine learning and artificial intelligence, and it's a very important part in NLP also. So let's understand what is chatbot. So what are chatbots? So chatbots are basically a conversational agents that interacts with the user using natural language processing. So started as an attempt to fool humans. So as actually these chatbots are actually started in the recent phases. So the person who are developing chatbots, the main purpose of the developing this software or this chatbot to fool the humans. So there are numerical application of chatbots like customer services, call center. So we can show that there is Flipkart website. They are also using Flipkart emoji. They are also using chatbot for customer service center. We can use the Amazon as also using chatbot for call center and any other operation, any other product service operations. So why do we need chatbot? So because we need chatbot because the dependency of many to many like sales in person or any customer services, the requirement of persons are not adaptable, and there are more requirement as we are using more machines, so we need product services and any other functions, so we have to use chatbots. uh, we also use that chatbots are human accurate. They are more accurate than human because they have purpose, they have question, they have answer. They if they don't have any question, they simply try to shift the call to human reporter. But so it also save time sometime, and it also sometime give a feedback to the user. So to express the interest, wishes or queries directly and necessarily by speaking, typing and pointing. So suppose there is some railway inquiry system. So I want to inquire. So hello, hi, this is railway inquiry. What is the station of status of train 2803? Its right time. The train will leave CST at 5 p.m. Is there anything else I could assist you? No, thank you. You are welcome. Indian Railways used to know. So this entirely thing, this entirely basic things are previously done by humans, and humans are a lot of wasting time in this type of regular or any boring work. So if these things can be replaced by chatbot, and human can do more creative things and do more uh, brainstorming things. So history. So what is the history of chatbot? So the history of the chatbot, the first chatbot developed is Eliza. It was developed in 1960, and it looks for pronouns and once you becomes I and vice versa. User, you are a dog. What make you think I am a dog? So it's basically convert active voice to a passive one. And second one is Parry, that was developed in 1972. So, what is the basic algorithm? How chatbot works? So they don't have good understanding of conversation. So we are based on pattern matching. So they are going to pattern matching. So suppose there are some previous. Suppose I want to make a chatbot on call service center. So I have to look for the previous data or previous conversation of the service center, operated service center, and the conversation between the human operated service center and the persons and the customers. So if I got all the data or in a proper answer, I can use machine learning algorithm and uh, classification algorithm to use the chatbot as a to make the test classification and test recognition, so it will give more accurate answer that I am searching for. So it is basically used tokenization and pattern matching and word matching to answer the question. Chatbots have a set of input and output rules, recognize keywords from user and respond with pre-calculated response. For example, human, I'm feeling worried today. Why are you feeling worried today? So the main uh, terms that chatbot are understanding this worried, feeling, and today. So these three things, they are searching, and they don't. They make a strong data set. So after that, it's classified to the questions to this type of why are you feeling worried. Other chatbot learn through user interaction. Okay. So there is an example of conversation of chatbot. So Eliza, conversation with the patient. Hello, well, my boyfriend made me come here. Your boyfriend made you come here. He say I am depressed much of sorry. He said I am depressed much of the time. I am sorry to hear you are depressed. It's true, I'm unhappy. Do you think coming here will help you? Not help. Able to elect emotional responses from either. So this is an emotional chatbot. So it's read the emotion and try to solve, because in the healthcare service center we have to be emotional. We don't have to be harsh in the so it's necessary to be emotional to program the chatbot to be emotional. Okay. So there will be chatbot in other domains like happy assistants help access e-commerce to find relevant information about product and services. So it's like in the first slide I talked about one e-commerce chatbot. So this chatbot can help us in many of the site like Flipkart or Amazon. Sanmela is a fictional person to talk with within a museum. So it's yeah, it's in museum we can use chatbot so that the person who are working in the guide, the person who are working as a guide don't have to work as a guide. They can do under operation, and this will save us a lot of time, because the person who repeat as a guide, they have to tell the same person daily day rows in daily with the same word with the same topic. So this can be done by human machines. Rita, a real-time internet technical instrument, an e-gain graphical avatar is used by ABN AMRO Bank to help customer doing financial tasks such as wire money transfer. So we can use chatbot for the financial tasks also. It's help us to educate the customers to about knowing the and doing the proper correct things. Uh, so what are my conclusion about the chatbot? So chatbot are very effective tool when it comes to education, IR, and e-commerce. Downside include malicious user in Yahoo Messenger. Uh, the aim of chatbot designer should be to build tools that help people facilitate their work and the interaction with computer using natural language processing, but not to replace the human role totally or imitate human conversation perfectly. Basically, chatbot are replacing those human tasks that are repeatedly doing with the same with the different customer. So suppose I'm working as a e-commerce, and so I have to tell about Amazon Alexa product. So I have to do it to many users same time. This can be replaced by chatbot. So thank you. I hope you understand the concept of chatbot clearly. Thank you and have a nice day.